Hello. So I have just started with the border and I'm just checking how many flowers I can make in this. So for that I'm just measuring it first. And in this I'm going to make Madhubani Ram Darbar. So yeah, I have this almost 17.5 inches. And if I start a flower from here, how many I can make? 3, 6, 9, 12. Sorry, 3, 6, 9, and then 12, 15. Okay. I don't know. I need to measure it again. So first, actually, I need to take the center of this. How much is this one? So this is 2.5. So I should be taking 1, 1, 2, 3 in between here. Generally, artists they do that. They go by their measurement just like freehand, but I don't feel comfortable in that. In these things, I find myself a very particular because I don't want to make this mistake that my line is going up and down and it's not correct. So yeah, that's the thing with me. Hi, how are you? So yeah, after measuring it, this is the center. And I will be doing a double line on both the side of the center line. Hi, Mrs. Rogers. So yeah, all the sides I'll do that first, and let me have a look. These lines also, these lines what you see, I have done freehand, but only thing is one line I did just for marking so that I will not go left and right. So yeah, now I have done this. Now I will see from this point how many flowers I can make. So I think I can take 2 inches here, here, I had told last time that okay, I will come online and we will do mandala art. But the thing is, I got this work, and this is my commission work. and I need to finish this first, so that's why I'm sorry I couldn't do that. Then we have here and here. So we are going to make flower here. So I'm not going to make the flower and leaves. I'm just marking it so that when I'm using my brush, it's easier. I will not go, the distance between the flower will be same. I'm moving away from this mark a little bit so that I have equal distance. So my daughter is back from school and she got this daisy for me. How sweet. Okay, I'll keep it here. So we will have these flowers here. I have to make a double line. This is how the flower will be. And then here. This is how the flower will be. I feel somehow there is some mismatch in this. I should make one more line here, I think. Or maybe I have to make it this long so that it'll look round. Anyways, so again here we will have one flower. Sorry, I was out of frame. So because it's a folk art, we don't have proper shape flowers. It's like however you want, you can make. It gives you the freedom. And in between we are going to have leaves like this. Yeah. These are going to touch each other. So here I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 flowers. This side, let me see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the distance of 2 inches. So from here I will take 2 inches. And this one will be here. So let's mark the center line first. So this should be here. Okay. And the last one, we'll just take the center point. Yeah, it's not exactly center. I did something wrong here. Okay, this is actually canvas. And whenever we work on a canvas, try to keep the lines as light as possible. Okay. So the line should be somewhere here. Yeah, that was the mistake. Yeah. So here we have the center line. Now we will see where to mark the circles. Here, here. So yeah, once this is done, then I don't have to draw this because I can just do freehand all these flowers. I'm just marking these dots so I know where exactly I have to make the flower, and in between what I have to do I remember, so I can manage that. So like this, I'm taking distance of 2 inches. I'm not an expert that I can just do freehand drawing. I need a little bit of blueprint. So once I have these dots, it's easier for me. I will know where exactly I have to draw. I hope I'm not doing any mistake. Okay. So yeah, this is canvas. I don't want to use more pencil on this because again, erasing will be an issue. Wherever I erase, it may leave mark if I'm not using the paint over there. So after this, the next step will be, what I'm thinking, I have to measure this flower this time because it's not looking circular. This is too big for this. Yeah. Is this big enough? Yes, but this is not circular. So maybe I will use my tools. Because I want the flowers to be circular. So I'm just measuring it. How big a flower should be. Okay. How will I show you? Maybe this way. So my flower should be in this radius so that it will look circular. Okay, I'll see you in next live where maybe I have done a little more and you will be able to understand how I'm going. So thank you so much. I'll see you next live.